Hey marketers, are you ready to transform the way you handle your marketing tasks? Meet MarketingBlocks, the revolutionary 22-in-1 AI software that's about to change the game. This tool is designed to simplify your life and supercharge your marketing efforts. Imagine this: you need a landing page. Simply enter a keyword, and AI creates a full landing page or website for you. It's that simple. Social media content? Enter a prompt and MarketingBlocks schedules 3 months of posts in minutes. No more scrambling for last-minute posts. Imagine the relief of having your social media calendar filled out for the next 3 months, all in just a few clicks. How about promo videos or faceless reels? Just type in your topic and watch as AI writes the script, sets up the storyboard, adds voiceovers, B-rolls, transitions, and effects. It's like having a full production team at your fingertips. Need a spokes video? Turn any text into a professional-looking video with AI avatars. These avatars can deliver your message with clarity and professionalism. And don't get me started on voiceovers. Generate human-like voiceovers in seconds. You can even clone your own voice. Imagine the possibilities of having your unique voice available for all your projects without having to record each time. Designs like banners, logos, and business cards? Done in minutes. No more waiting for designers or struggling with design software. AI-generated images, arts, and photographs? No problem. Create stunning visuals effortlessly. But MarketingBlocks doesn't stop there. It generates all the content you need: blog posts, articles, marketing copy, you name it. And for customer support and sales, AI bots are at your service. They can handle queries, book appointments, and even generate leads. Lead generation, appointment booking, all automated. Imagine the time you'll save. Want to turn your expertise into passive income? Create courses and memberships effortlessly. Payments and subscriptions? Hassle-free and fast. Maximize engagement with smart forms, surveys, and widgets. These tools can help you understand your audience better and tailor your marketing strategies accordingly. Boost your marketing with AI-driven automation and streamlined workflows. MarketingBlocks collects and manages leads from various sources, automates tasks, and delivers consistent engagement, all on autopilot. Save time and grow your business effortlessly. One AI software for all your marketing and sales needs. Ready to revolutionize your marketing strategy? Hit the link below and watch MarketingBlocks in action. Don't miss out on this game-changing tool.